Madam, the land is the land.
What I'm asking you, how many acres am I standing on?
The land is worth 6 million naira. Once we pay 6 million, you own the land.
Oh, 6 million. Yes. That means how many acres again?
So are you paying in cash or transfer?
No, I am talking about, okay, what's the plot? How many plots of land?
How many plots?
Yes.
No, you are getting it all wrong. You see this land, you don't plot every. As a matter of fact, before I brought you here, I brought a reverend father. He prayed on this land and used holy water to sprinkle on that. So there's nothing like plot in this land.
Why I'm asking after the acres? No, the company I want to build it's a magnificent structure. Continue, okay? I will need something gigantic, something extraordinary, something magnificent. You know, in a way that when people are passing and they see the structure, it will have a serious relevance in the community. You understand? Like a company for the people, by the people, and with. Yes.
I understand what you're saying.
Yes. So I told you I want to know how many acres.
Okay.
If I'm to join more acres, or if I'm to reduce. No, I don't want to join more acres.
Okay. Now I understand. Acres. Okay. Let's say from this pillar from here to here, there are some land agent that might not some, but I'll give you all. Now let's say from here now, here is 1 acre. From here to this point.
What is happening?
But I remove the acre.
Huh?
Not here.
You're removing your life. Hey! You removed your life. What did you enter my land?
I beg your pardon. What are you doing here?
I borrowed your pardon. What are you doing here?
I should be asking that
question. I should be asking you, idiot. What did you come in? Imagine this.
What is going on here?
Go, hold your breath.
Continue.
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine?
Who does that? How dare you step your foot on my land? Look at you.
Look at this idiot.
Wait. I want to get something right. Who is the rightful person that's supposed to sell this place? Because I'm getting confused a little bit.
Yes. The land is my own land.
My friend, so shut up. If you don't know, what is that? Shut up. Oh, God. Sorry, bros. Look at two of us. Who looks like to you that owns this land?
Hey! I don't know who you are. I spoke to him and he asked me to come to this place so that we can negotiate for this land. So I don't know what is happening right now.
The same way he spoke to me, right?
Yes!
Yes!
So
she spoke to me too.
He spoke to you, he spoke to me.
Yes!
So we can't speak to ourselves now.
Get out of my
land. Get out of my cycle.
Oh my God. I'm getting confused. Is this your land?
This is my land.
Let us proceed.
Is this your land?
Madam, I have the proof. This is my land. I have the proof here.
I don't really know what is happening.
Okay, please hold your breath. Okay. Hold your breath. Okay. So you want to tell me that this land is your
You're a
land?
liar.
You are a liar.
Looking at your beer, you are lying.
You are lying.
You are lying.
Look at your coat.
Yes,
okay, if you say this land I own, which company they work for? Because me, I they work for First Property Hub International. Who you they work for?
I work with Fight and Claim Property Hub. Fight and Claim Property Hub.
You not fight here today, go call me bastard.
Okay.
Come out from my land, do not.
Do you have the documents for this land?
I got my every property here.
And yourself, you have your own document.
How can you have a document with a sleeve of envelope? Just a sheet of envelope. Look at, I have all the documents. All of them.
Okay. Madness, we go enter your head with this now. You carry see document. Why don't go for bank? Go print.
Excuse me. How many acres is this? Can somebody tell me how many acres this land is?
Yes, she's asking the right question. How many acres?
Ada akanga here we to ha na aka nye ga ala da akaka ihe awdu nga na akaka ele ke wa many aka enwodo nye kora aka nga akaka I gbabia no akaka I ga agba ala. The land belong to me. Okay, no fear anything, no. Madam, I have every property where they here. Where you go take claim this?
Are you paying in cash or transfer? I don't have time to waste. I have other customers to attend to, other clients. Please.
Okay, because no mind them. Are you paying on that POS or are you paying on top of it?
I'll pay on top of it. I will transfer immediately. I'll transfer.
Okay, first of all, tell me how many plots. How many plots?
Madam, I have told you we don't plot evil here. I brought the Reverend Father. He prayed on this land and sprinkled holy water. What is plot?
You wear me carry Helene Nkumi man all my white garment. Helene Nkumi go gunga for 2 days. Chinelu do man nga agwegu. Aya cause obra go kwase. And what then I go for the gunga. No sonny le no. Choma Jesus no nga boaga. Agago na land. No prayer where they never make for this land. Here bushing mountain of olive. Shame on you too.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Do you know who is in the bosque?
Who is in the
I brought in the bosque here. He prayed on this land.
In the bosque.
Look at you.
Pray here.
Pray.
What have I gotten myself into?
Are you buying or not?
What is happening?
Okay, don't worry. You are buying this land. Even if
you must buy this land. You must buy this land.
From where to where can I buy?
Even if you are not buying everything, I can tell you.
So as I was saying, from this place, 6 feet. You own everywhere. Just give me 6 million naira. I will give you all the documents. The land belongs to you.
Okay. Do you have the CFO?
The
CFO.
Do you have the CFO?
The CFO.
CFO.
The CFO.
Or capital letter or small letter.
Wait, what kind of question is this? What kind of? Don't you know what the CFO?
Oh, ask him. Idiot.
Idiot. Yes, I have it now. The one I have is written in arithmetic orders.
Oh God.
Arithmetic.
I have it.
Okay, I
have the CFO in arithmetic orders.
If you want, even if you are not buying everything, I can say 6 feet for you. Just make sure again one for future departure.
Are you crazy? Sell 6 feet for me.
You see?
This time everybody they buy this thing, keep up. I got nigga has a channel because sometimes she want to go about 20. Give 6 feet, make sure again.
Do you even have a land permit?
That is how you know a liar.
Do you even have a land permit? Do you even have the permit to sell land and properties?
Madam, if you not come out from this place now, if you talk to my client anyhow, if you not come out from this place now, thunder go fire you into pieces.
Yes, we can do our business.
Oga, I will not take this from you. You can talk to him, but don't talk to my client like that.
I will talk to her like that.
What?
I will talk to her like that.
What will you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Okay, who are you?
What is your problem?
Who are you? Asking you that. Who are you?
What is your problem?
This is my. Oga,
I'm not going anywhere.
Do I have any business with you?
Oga, if you don't leave this land now, 2 things will happen.
If you not come out for this land now, you go collect rape here now. You go collect rape here now. If I don't carry you up, you see my ganala. If I don't lie you for grand, and actually get after
Oga,
out.
Oga,
Out.
Oga, I get hot temper. I get hot temper. Leave this land.
So what?
Oga,
Did I come with you?
Oga.
Did I ask you?
My client.
No.
Ogene. One for you. Small thing now. Don't scatter everything.
I don't understand. This guy, this lady now don't fall. 6 million on ever.
6 million waiting. When you're going to get work 36 million. Somebody who don't take 300,000 now. We're going to 6 feet. We'll collect that one hold for hand.
But if you're waiting now, if I say this one finish, come out. You can't sell your own now.
You spoiler. Me we don't call company name because that first property hub. Everybody know them as legit company. We know they play with you. As I use their name, call here say I am from First Property Hub. You don't believe say because that company their name they ring bell. Anybody who hear that name must buy land. They know they play with you at all. Go to everywhere where you know First Property Hub. Go and ask of them. Now you can go to tell them say you are from Fight and Claim Company. Which kind of nonsense name? That name why I call for you. That name everybody know. And people they like rush.
That Fight and Claim they still there. But the mistake what I do now to add that hub behind them. Behind.
One thing they tell you say this kind of business they know they take greediness. Since where you go buy this Adam coat where you buy this coat take shake brain and you dey sign. I dey there come na court through Ganya.
Trouser again ko.
Trouser more down.
Since where you know they wear the trouser, our business they move smoothly. You go wear this trouser, they scatter everything. If you wait now, see next time if you see me they inside land with person, no enter that place, no enter.
I see don't pursue this one now today.
You pursue them.
We don't walk around, nothing. Everything don't flop.
How many see they ask how many acres they
Which acre? They were.
They for the land now.
That time we enter here clap. Manager how many acres give blanket. Big battery here, did you clap any hand?
Now me say we don't know what in the acre. Me we go learn am.
The acre there for land. Acre pa here na no dun dey.
Now I tell her say from here to here be acre now, from here to where she dey stand na acre.
Your wife don't born.
She don't born. Now no be here one come collect the hospital bill go pay doctor.
She don't born.
She born now.
Look at her. Here, apa mo na mo. You go. You mind those kind of labor 2 days. Sharp woman labor 2 seconds. One whoop la whoop.
Na Kaila. I got bamba bozo.
This land be like the person we get and put juju here.
I don't understand.
Yeah? 6 million. No, let's not go together. Verse, come on, verse.
Idea you come.
No, you go verse, come out. Make they no say we quarrel. No, that kind of idiot. Idiot. Stupid idiot.
If you don't return my customer, you see what I'll do to you. Bring my client.
If you don't return my gasket, you go see what
Look
I'll
at
do
you.
to you. Idiot.
Look at you. You're claiming landowner.
You are a fool.
My grandfather gave me the land.
You are a fool.